I got the keys to this bad boy. We just drove a boosted V6, and now we're gonna drive a boosted 5.0. I'm a little scared.
That intercooler though.
This is gonna be fun.
Or you gotta push the button, otherwise it's gonna close.
Alright, man. I'm gonna drive my first boosted 5.0, and it's gonna be an S550, so let's get right to it. Oh, okay.
Oh, yes.
Alright,
how much space do you have?
I got space.
Yeah. I think that's straight.
You good on that?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright. We're in the
The
big
only thing
boy.
is, visibility in the back, you might not get much.
Cause the spoiler?
okay.
No problem.
Yeah.
We'll be good. And this is the same kit that's on the other
Same
one.
kit, if you wanna see.
So what's the exhaust on this one?
This is the Corsa Extreme exhaust with Mac cat deletes.
Okay.
Yeah, you have more.
Sounds good, for sure. Well, we just drove a boosted V6, so now we're driving the boosted V8.
Boosted Yodi?
What?
Boosted Yodi?
Yes, sir. You haven't gotten any tickets, right?
Just one.
That's good. Oh, I don't know, guys. It's looking kind of spicy on this Shelby. I know I have a 2012, but what do you think, Chris? Supercharge my shit or get a Shelby? Should we just keep going straight on this way?
Make a U-turn.
Make a U-turn.
Yeah, over here is a lot of traffic.
If I were to boost my car, I just don't know what kit to go with.
A little sideways? Oh, what was that?
That was me. My glasses flew off when you did that.
Oh, I was like, what? I thought like a rock hit the windshield or something.
that was my brain.
So how long have you had this one?
This car I've had for 2.5 years.
2.5 years. And it was boosted
A year ago.
a year ago.
Send it.
Feels good.
Drop in here.
That one should be in the second in this floor.
Yeah, send it.
Second.
Send it.
That's nice. That's nice. It doesn't spin that much as I thought it was.
Nah, it doesn't. Probably from a dig. think, yeah.
Damn, I'm literally tapping on it a little bit and it's like trying to go. What do you think? It's fast, right?
I'm trying to do it cool.
Wait till I get the kid online. Then you can... Good, bro.
Yeah, thanks, man.
It's so loud, too. On the way back from the track, when you did that pull, that was super loud, dude. Oh, man.
What I'm trying to show you, that's what I did. That's the way they make it loud.
Should I do it? I'm gonna do it.
Yeah. There you go.
How much was the kit?
$8,000.
Yeah, I'm gonna need a little more time. That happens a lot, huh? So this is just the kit slapped on, everything else is stock, like
Everything
stock
else is
trans,
stock.
stock, damn.
Nothing new, just everything is complete stock. I think the block holds about 900 without doing any damage to it. The older ones, I'm not 100% sure.
Trash.
Really, you think so?
Probably hold like 7, 8 max.
So that's 10 pounds of boost.
10 pounds, yeah.
8K for boost. More friction. 8K for boost.
I think I would just slap on like a Paxton supercharger or a Vortex supercharger. Yeah. The visibility ain't bad. I can still see good.
You can see behind you. It's just like when the car is like directly behind you, you won't be able to see the person's face.
Yeah, the wing is a little on the way, but it's all good. It does feel weird not like every time like coming to a stop right now, I just
I was like, let me watch it because it's just drizzling.
yeah, it was just a little sprinkle.
Yeah, and it started clearing up. So I was like, well, let me play it safe. If it rains, I'll just give you a call. If not, then I'll let you make the call.
That guy got so scared. That's loud, dude. Oh man.
Dude, this car was scary anyway.
Good to see you. Yup.
Well, bro, thank you so much for
course,
letting
man,
us drive this, man.
Definitely.
Right there, that S550 Duo. They're actually together, partners in crime. So follow their YouTube. I'm gonna put their link at the bottom. Also their Instagram. Go follow them. Show them some love. The car's definitely fast, and I definitely want to boost my car now, but that's gonna take a little bit. A little bit. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's just zoom in one more time.